Looking to start goat farming but don't know which breed is best for your goals? Whether you're after rich milk, tender meat, or valuable fiber, choosing the right goat breed can make all the difference. From dairy champions to hardy meat producers, this list will guide you through the top 10 goat breeds for profit. Let's break down how each one stands out and helps your farm thrive. Number 1. Saanen. The Saanen goat, often called the Holstein of dairy goats, is famous for its remarkable milk production. Originating from Switzerland's Saanen Valley, these goats can produce up to 1,360 liters of milk per lactation, with a butterfat content of 3.5% to 4%. Their pure white coats and gentle demeanor make them easy to spot and handle. Adaptable to diverse climates, Saanens thrive in both intensive farming and small-scale setups. They're perfect for beginners and professionals alike, thanks to their friendly nature and low maintenance needs. Beyond their economic benefits, Saanens are favorites in 4-H programs and hobby farms. For consistent, high-quality milk and a reliable companion, Saanens remain a top choice in the dairy world. Number 2. Alpine. Alpine goats, originating from the French Alps, are celebrated for their versatility and hardiness. They adapt easily to various climates, making them ideal for farmers in diverse regions. With a striking array of coat colors and patterns, each alpine goat has a unique look. On average, they produce 946 to 1,360 liters of milk per lactation, with a butterfat content of 3% to 4%. This breed is not only productive, but also independent and curious, thriving in free-range environments. Alpines are equally efficient in pasture-based or intensive farming systems, adding flexibility to their appeal. Their dependable milk production, combined with their resilience, makes them a favorite among dairy farmers aiming for profitability. Number 3. Nubian. The Nubian goat is a standout with its long, floppy ears and distinctive Roman nose. Originally from Africa, this breed is valued for its dual-purpose capabilities in milk and meat production. Nubians produce 681 to 1,134 liters of milk per lactation, boasting a rich butterfat content of 4% to 5%. This creamy milk is perfect for cheese and butter making. Known for their social and friendly demeanor, Nubians are a joy to have on any farm. They thrive in various climates and management systems, from large-scale operations to small homesteads. While they can be more vocal than other breeds, their charm and productivity make them worth it. Nubians are the ideal choice for farmers seeking versatility and profitability. Number 4. La Mancha. La Mancha goats are easily recognized by their tiny ears, are compact, efficient, and reliable dairy producers. Developed in the United States, La Manchas are known for their strong milk yields, producing between 681 to 1,134 liters per lactation, with a butterfat content of 3.5% to 4%. They are a hardy breed that adapts well to various climates and management systems, from small homesteads to large-scale operations. What makes them especially appealing is their calm and friendly temperament, which makes them easy to handle, even for beginners. Their smaller size also means they require less space and feed than larger breeds, making them ideal for farmers with limited space or resources. La Manchas are low-maintenance goats, capable of thriving in confined or pasture-based systems. For consistent, manageable, and productive goats, La Manchas are a smart investment for any dairy operation. Number 5. Toggenburg. Toggenburg goats, originating from Switzerland's Toggenburg Valley, hold the title of the oldest known dairy goat breed. These hardy animals are prized for their adaptability and consistent milk production. Toggenburgs produce 946 to 1,360 liters of milk per lactation, with a butterfat content of 2.9% to 3.8%. Their soft brown coats with distinct white markings add to their aesthetic appeal. Toggenburgs are calm, gentle, and easy to manage, making them ideal for farmers of all experience levels. They excel in both traditional and modern farming practices, proving resilient in various conditions. As a breed with rich history and reliable performance, Toggenburg goats remain a popular choice for profitable dairy farming. Number 6. Oberhasli. Oberhasli goats, known for their beautiful chamois-colored coats, are a Swiss breed that blends productivity with aesthetic appeal. These goats are prized for their reliable milk production, yielding between 946 to 1,134 liters per lactation, with a butterfat content of 3% to 4%. Oberhaslis are adaptable to various farming conditions and are known for thriving in both intensive and extensive systems. What sets them apart is their gentle, friendly disposition, making them easy to handle for farmers of all experience levels. They're also resilient, able to withstand diverse weather conditions, and are highly efficient converters of feed to milk. Their manageable size and calm demeanor make them ideal for smaller farms or hobbyists, while still offering consistent milk production. If you're seeking a reliable, beautiful, and productive breed, the Oberhasli is a solid choice. Number 7. Sable. Sable goats are a colorful variant of the Saanen breed, bringing diversity and beauty to goat farming. Known for their rich coat colors ranging from black and brown to gray, they're as visually appealing as they are productive. Sables produce between 681 and 1,134 liters of milk per lactation, with a butterfat content of 3.5% to 4%. Like their Saanen relatives, Sables are adaptable to various climates and farming systems. Their calm temperament makes them easy to manage, even for novice farmers. Sables excel in converting feed into milk efficiently, proving valuable in both confined and pasture-based systems. If you're looking for a dairy goat that combines productivity with aesthetic charm, the Sable breed is a perfect fit. Number 8. Nigerian Dwarf. The Nigerian Dwarf goat is a miniature breed that packs a punch in milk production. Despite their small size, these goats are incredibly efficient milk producers, with butterfat content ranging from 6% to 10%, making their milk highly prized for cheese and soap making. On average, they produce 378 to 567 liters of milk per lactation. Nigerian dwarfs are perfect for small-scale farms or urban settings due to their manageable size and easy care. Their playful, friendly nature also makes them great companions for families. This breed is highly adaptable, thriving in various climates and farming conditions, and they are especially suited for beginner goat owners. Their small stature doesn't compromise their productivity, and their high butterfat milk ensures they remain a profitable choice. If you're looking for a fun, productive, and low-maintenance goat, Nigerian dwarfs are an excellent option. Number 9. Boer. Boer goats, originally from South Africa, are the go-to breed for meat production. Known for their rapid growth rates and muscular build, Boers are a top choice for farmers focusing on the meat market. They reach market weight quickly, making them highly profitable. Boers are also hardy and adaptable, thriving in a variety of climates and terrains. Their docile nature and ease of management make them suitable for farmers of all experience levels. While they aren't as prolific in milk production, their contribution to meat farming is unparalleled. If profitability in the meat industry is your goal, Boer goats are undoubtedly the breed to consider. Number 10. Angora. Angora goats are renowned for their luxurious mohair fiber, which is in high demand worldwide. Originating from Turkey, these goats produce an average of 4 to 7 kilograms of mohair annually. Angoras are hardy and adapt well to various climates, though they do require some extra care to keep their coats in top condition. Their docile and friendly temperament makes them easy to manage. While not heavy milk or meat producers, their value lies in the premium quality of their fiber. For farmers looking to tap into the lucrative textile market, Angora goats offer a unique and profitable niche. With proper care, they can provide consistent returns, making them a worthwhile investment. No matter your farming goals, whether it's dairy, meat, or fiber production, there's a goat breed perfectly suited for your needs. From the high-yielding Saanen to the luxurious Angora, Each breed brings unique strengths to the table. Choosing the right breed can transform your farm into a thriving, profitable venture. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more farming tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.